in line with this, please take caution in securing your carry-on luggage and when opening the bins to prevent items from falling off.
Yeah.
Pinag-uusapan po lamang namin ang lahat na ilagay sa loob ng inyong mga dala-dalahan ang mga bagay na maaaring mahulog tulad ng plastic, tumblers at electronic devices bago ilagay sa loob ng kompartamento. Maraming salamat po.
Ako, hawak ko na lang. Diba? Mas safe pa yung hawak ko yung mga electronic devices. Ayan. Traffic pa. Ayan, nag-assist yung cabin crew namin. Medyo traffic lang doon sa likod. Ayan, mahaba pila hanggang doon. Kaya sa likod. Dilim sa labas. Yan. Makita. Very accommodating ng mga crew ng Cebu Pacific. Cebu Pacific. Ayan, labas. Mamaya yung favorite part natin. Cabin crew. Tagal ng tulog mo kanina. Sa bangko. Mukhang hapon tulog ka. Okay. Traffic. Kaya nagta-traffic kasi pag may lalagay ng gamit nila dun sa sa overhead compartment. Kaya sila nagta-traffic ng ganyan. Anyway, dito tayo sa labas. Ayan. Tayo niyo sa labas. Traffic ito, no? Sasara na. Halos mapupuno na.
Let me inform you that this is your infant's likeness po to be used during emergency lang po. Do not open your let your baby play with it. Lagay ko lang po siya seat belt para pinawagyan na po natin. Thank you.
May we request all guests to stow their hand luggage properly under the seat or in the storage bins above you. If you are seated next to an emergency exit, read carefully the passenger duty card located by your seat. If you do not wish to perform the functions described in case of emergency, please ask the cabin crew to receive you. Cebu Pacific is certified under the IATA Operational Safety Audit, or IOSA, the highest standards for safety in the global airline industry.
So, narito tayo sa loob ng aircraft ng Cebu Pacific. At patuloy yung pagpasok. Ilang kaya ito? No? So, kung sa isang row, 3 sa kabila, at 3 sa kanan, 3 sa kaliwa, 6 yun. So, 10 row, 6 sa 10, 60 na yun. Tama? So, sa 20, 120. 120 packs. At 30 row, 180. 180 yaka tao. Yung lula nito, ano, kung hanggang 30 yung ano, yung row. Kasi kami, yung original seat number namin, pang 25 na ano, row. So, abot nga ng ano, 30 ano. 30 rows. So, kung 6 isang row, abutin nga siya ng ano, 180 na 180 na alam mo yun, 180 na pasahero kung sa 30 rows. Yun ang ano natin.
Hello everyone and welcome to your Cebu Pacific flight where we make moments happen with you. This is 5J622 bound for Manila. Tickets for this flight to Manila must be on board. If you have a different flight number or destination, please call your cabin crew for assistance. May we request all guests to please stow your hand-carried baggage under the seat in front of you or in the stowage bins above you. Should you need assistance, please do not hesitate to call any of your cabin crew. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang Cebu Pacific bilang 622 patungong Maynila.
Sipag ng ano.
Kung hindi ito ang iyong tamang lipad, maaari po lamang natawagin ang pansin ng inyong cabin crew. Mangyari po lamang na ilagay sa inyong mga daladalahan sa unang kompartamento o sa ilalim ng upuan sa harapan ninyo. Kung kailangan nyo ng aming tulong, wag po kayo magatubiling kami ay tawagin. Maraming salamat.
Basahin mo.
We request everyone to kindly safeguard all loose items,
Basahin mo.
including hard objects such as plastic, tumblers, and electronic devices inside your baggage before stowing it in the overhead bin. In line with this, please take caution in securing your carry-on luggage and when opening the bins to prevent items from
Good
falling off. Thank you.
evening, tsaka hi,
Good evening, Johnny Anay.
tsaka like, yun lang.
Sino yung nag-live?
Johnny.
Johnny Anay. Johnny Anay. Shoutout sa'yo na. Good evening. Narito kami sa loob ng aircraft ng Cebu Pacific upang ipatunghay sa inyo ang loob ng Cebu.
Cabin door. All brother disembark now. Cabin crew stand by.
Cabin crew standby. So standby na sila. Parang iisa yung nakita kong cabin crew, no? Yung isang babaeng yun, no? Parot parito siya rito. Or baka naman nag-assist yung iba dun sa likod. Ang haba kasi nito. So siguro area na niya to, no? Hindi ko natunghayin sa likod eh. Maaring tatlo sila. Isa dito sa unahan, isa sa gitna, nag-assist at saka dun sa likod. No? Kasi ito lang yung nakita ko sa unahan, yung cabin crew na naka-yellow. So might be meron nga rin doon sa dulo. Alam ko normally tatlo yung nakikita ko dito. Kanina nakita
Make your
natin.
arm your door for departure transfer.
So magde-demo na sila. Yung kasunod yan. De-demo nila yung yung life vest. Yung hihilahin mo lang, lolobo na siya. Dahil sa labas. Yan. Yan ang Panglao International Airport. No? Lawak nito.
Hello everyone, good evening. From the flight deck, this is your first officer Manny speaking. Together with Captain Faustino and our crew, Keith, Paula, Manu, Jam, headed by Adrian, we would like to welcome you for flight 5J622 bound for Manila. Our flight time is approximately 1 hour and 5 minutes and our cruising altitude will be 34,000 feet. Weather en route is forecast to be fair. Manila weather update show up your port current percent. Our flight today will take us about a few more minutes before we can take off. There is a calculated takeoff time given to us by Manila. This is due to the multiple traffic inbound and outbound of Manila, so please bear with us. Your
Yeah.
safety and comfort is always our priority. We request all guests to pay attention to announcements from the flight deck and cabin crew. Your usual patience, full cooperation, and compliance are highly appreciated. Please do not hesitate to call attention for cabin crew should you require further assistance or clarification of these important measures. We
Yun.
wish you a safe and pleasant journey. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific.
Okay. So, naintindihan nyo na mga kababayan. So, kaya na-delay ang kanilang flight dahil din sa traffic control sa Manila. Traffic congestion, yung lumilipad at yung bumababa. So, hindi kasalanan ng Cebu Pacific yun. Kung ma-delay man. So, hindi na kasalanan nila yun.
Silent mode. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited once the cabin doors are closed. Thank you.
Hindi ko naintindihan yan. Sorry.
Hello everyone, this is Adrian and together with my team, welcome aboard Cebu Pacific, making first moments happen with you. We are now ready to depart for Manila. In command of the aircraft is Captain Faustino, ably assisted by First Officer Lord Decilias. Our flying time is approximately 1 hour and 5 minutes. Ang lipad na ito ay pinangungunahan ni Kapitan Faustino sa tulong ni unang opisyal Lord Decilias. Tayo po ay lilipad humigit kumulang 1 oras at 5 minuto. At this moment, please direct your attention to your cabin crew, who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft.
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to your cabin crew who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seat belt. To fasten, push ends together. tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air. And push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic bands sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide raft. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself. We are about to take off. Fasten seatbelts securely.
Fasten
Keep
seatbelt.
window shades open and tray tables still. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while cabin doors are closed. This is a non-smoking flight. Use of vape, e-cigarette, and all smoking or vapor inhaling or nicotine devices is
Dilim na sa labas.
in civil aviation regulations. Please stop using your gadget if the battery becomes excessively warm. This refers to all gadgets powered by lithium battery or charger.
Due to the potential risks of fire associated with lithium-ion batteries and damage to your portable electronic devices, we request that you remove all charging cables from the in-seat power outlets during taxi, takeoff, and landing. In addition, please do not charge any electronic devices, including power banks, during this time. Para po sa inyong kaligtasan, mangyari po lamang tanggalin ang mga charging cables sa in-seat power outlets at iwasan po ang pag-charge ng inyong mga portable electronic devices sa mga oras na ito. Maraming salamat po. These safety protocols are meant to ensure compliance to the existing regulations and to provide security and a pleasant experience in flying. Your safety and comfort are our most priority. We wish everyone an enjoyable flight.
So, napakaganda ng serbisyo dito sa Cebu Pacific. Kaya number 1 airline ko to eh. Itong Cebu Pacific. Lagi ito yung aeroplano ko pag ako'y gagamit ng himpapawid ng sasakyan. Cebu Pacific, the cheapest and number 1 airline. Nagano na Bye-bye, Panglao International Airport. Medyo blur, no? Dito tayo sa loob.
Unong best. Best daw. Yari ka daw ng best. Best ka na lang tawag yan. Unong best.
Cabin crew ready for takeoff. No? To your station. Sit down. Sipag yan. Ang galing nga naman. Talagang matulungin yan. Diba? Kaya sa flight stewardess medyo may age height height limit pa. Yan na. Magulong na. Magulong na. Na tayo. Magulong na. Kaya hindi ko makakita. Malabo yung salamin. Gabi kasi oh. Ayan. Medyo nakikita dito.
Para daw malapit na yun.
Ayan, umuusad na kami. Maya-maya lang, nasa ere na. Maya-maya lang, wala na akong signal. So, pag nawala ng signal, matik yun. So, sunod yan, doon na sa Manila magkakasignal. So, again, my number 1 airline, Cebu Pacific. Mura na, safe pang magbiyahe. No? So you're seeing live take-off dito sa Cebu Pacific Airline, the number 1 airline and cheapest for me. So yan yung mga ilaw guide nila nare sa baba sa simento. Liliko-liko tayo.
To binibinig examine lines, yes, 18 more reading and please switch on your individual reading lines.
Yan na. Paghubong ng makina niyan, diretso akyat na kami. Take off. Tapos mawala na ako ng signal maya-maya na. Pag nasa area na. So yun, naka-dim light na tayo. Diba? Mabilis-bilis na tayo. Ayan na. Ayan na, mabilis na. Ayan. Biglang sisibat to. Ayan. Maya-maya wala na tayo signal ha. Abang na lang kayo sa Manila after 1 hour and 5 minutes, no? Pa yung pakpak ha. Ayan, doon. Kasi nasa unahan kami. Ayan, nakikita nyo. Ako hindi ko nakikita. Yun. Yun ang pakpak. Umiilaw
Takeoff
yun.
stations.
Yun ang take-off station. Bye-bye, Panglao International Airport. See you soon. Yan, no? Ganda. Ganda to. Ang lawak ng Panglao International Airport. Ito yung tinapos na project ni Tatay Digong. Nung nabinbin na ito ng ilang administrasyon. Yan na. Start the engine. Yan na. Pabilis na, pabilis na. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nasa lupa pa kami. Yan na, pabilis na, pabilis na. Makikita nyo yung ilaw. Yan o. Pabilis na. Sabihin ko sa inyo kung naka-take off na kami. Wala na kami sa lupa. Sabihin ko. So ngayon, pabilis na pabilis. And we're off. Wala na kami sa lupa. And nasa taas na kami ng ere. Naka-take off na kami. So, hear that sound pag ano yan. Nasa taas na kami. So ito yung ay, bayan dyan sa baba, sa Panglao. Wow! Ba? Oh, nasa na? May signal pa rin ako, no? Ayan, oh. Oh. Eh, wala na. Wala na signal. May signal pa. Yan o, sa baba o. May signal pa o. Yun, bye bye. Panglao, Bohol. See you soon. No? Ayun si Panglao. Ayun. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Mawala na tayo ng signal. Wala na ng signal dito sa live natin. Okay. See you in Manila. Ayan o. Ayan, mga barko. Yung may ilaw sa baba. See you on Manila. Manila. So, kita-kita tayo sa Manila. Pero dito sa video, tuloy-tuloy pa rin tayo. No? Tuloy-tuloy ang pagtatanghal. Dilim pa rito, hindi pa nag-iilaw. Dito sa loob ng aircraft ng Cebu Pacific. So, sabi nga ni pilot, ang lipad natin mga 3,000 to 4,000 feet. 3,000 to 4,000 feet. Kaya nagkakailaw na. Oh, bumibend tayo sa kanan. Madilim na din sa labas. Ano kayo makikita ron? Nasa ano na tayo, sa ibabaw ng karagatan ng Alapaap.